Hello? Welcome to my craft studio. I am going to show you how to make a simple layered greeting card in Cricut Design Space.
Hey everybody, welcome to my craft studio. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of making this card using the Cricut Maker. It's a fun and easy project to make. Makes this nice card, size A2, 5.5 inches wide by 4.25 inches tall. And just some quick easy steps just to put this together. You're going to be doing your word here, and then just put an outline around it, then another outline around that outline, and then an additional outline around that outline. And so we're just be using the outline 1, 2, 3, 3 times, and cutting it out using scrap paper of all things. So this is leftover actually from Christmas projects. A piece of black cardstock, red and white striped cardstock, a red glittery cardstock, and some white cardstock. This is a leftover from a Cricut print and cut project, and so I'm just going to use the good side to cut my background on that, and so that doesn't go to waste. And we'll put this all on one mat, and so you just have to run it through the Cricut Maker once instead of 4 different times. We're just going to do one pass with this. So let me show you how that's done so we can make this really cute card. Let me get it up close so you can see it there. And this turned out really, really, really nice. And so let me go ahead and take you through it step by step. Here we go. All right, now that we have it, our design all laid out on our Cricut mat, on our design space, let's put it on the actual mat here. So what we're going to do is, from how you remember how we had it on our computer, was we put the background, our stripe, in this corner here. And we had changed everything to all one color so it fits on one mat. But you just have to remember what color belongs in which corner of the mat. And so we had the background here. We had the black in this upper corner here. Let's go ahead and cut this off so it fits in here. And we had the white over here and the red in this corner. All right, if you have a brayer, get a brayer and just like push these pieces down. Get all the air out from underneath them. That way it cuts much smoother. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and put this in the machine. We already put it on cardboard setting. And we'll get this cut out in one pass. And we'll be ready to put our card together. Okay, so what we're left with here is our card base. Our letters that spell love. This is the first offset layer. The second offset layer, and the third offset layer. This one we're actually going to put down inside this little area here. That way it's kind of smooth with the card and sits down inside and gives a really nice effect when that happens. And then the white one will go right on top of the black one. And then the black on top of the white. Of these areas here. And see how that gives a nice, really cool effect there. Now I'm going to be adhering this to a A2 card base. This is one I had purchased off of Amazon, attached everything to this. I'm just going to move everything over here. And I am going to start with our card base here. See how that lines up nicely there? So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on here. This is a best glue I think I've ever used for crafting. It's Barely Art Precision Craft Glue. Bought this on Amazon. And it's got this precision tip that comes with it. And a little pin that goes in there to keep it from clogging up. Then it's got a cap on there for when you're not using it to seal it away so it doesn't dry up. Alright, you get a little dab started here. Okay, I'm going to get my tweezers here, pick this up a little easier. Is a good start. Next will be this larger black layer. That will go right inside this offset. And I'm going to put glue on the back side of this. Same thing, just a little bead of glue all the way around. Okay, next is the white layer. Put a bead of glue around this one. Alright, just center this right in here so it looks like it's got an even amount of outline around the whole thing. I don't go too crazy on this, but just what looks good. Sprayer that down, turn it over. Next is the black, another black layer. Let's get these letters off. These are a little sticky from being on the Cricut mat. Okay. Put a bead of glue around this one. And center that on top of the white. Can you see that in the camera? Let me zoom in a little bit better. So just make get right there in the middle. So even amount offset all the way around. Alright, home stretch here. We just have to put the red glitter letters on. All right. Make any adjustments if you need to before everything dries down. I'm going to turn it upside down, get the brayer, go over it again, make sure everything's nicely over here, squeezing any air bubbles out. Okay. That looks like it's on there pretty good. Now I'm going to trim just a little of this extra off of here that's hanging down. And just fold your card and it is ready to send off. There we go. Turned out really nice. Now I have 2 to give out for Valentine's to my boys. Please subscribe to my channel and like this project, and I will see you on the next time. Thank you.